Cuckoo.
Apple wakes up with a loud achoo. He sneezes so hard he turns sky blue. Allergies again, banana laughs. Apple giggles only on behalf. Banana slips on his own peel, falls down laughing, such a deal. I'm too slippery, he cries with joy. Everyone shouts, you silly boy.
Orange keeps rolling round the floor, bumps the table, bumps the door. I'm too round to ever stop.
He giggles as he does a hop. Grapes come marching in a bunch, singing songs before their lunch. But one tiny grape shouts, wait for me. He runs so fast like a busy bee. Mango combs his juicy hair, says I'm the king, just look, just stare. Pineapple bows with spiky pride. Oh, royal mango, step aside.
Strawberry wears a tiny hat, dancing funny like an acrobat. She twirls and spins, oh what a sight.
Her seeds glow bright like fairy light. Watermelon big and round, jumps so high he leaves the ground. But when he lands, bounce like a ball. The fruits all laugh and nearly fall. Papaya tries to sing a tune, but sounds like a squeaky balloon.
Everyone claps just to be nice. Papaya bows once, twice and thrice. Kiwi puts on glasses green,
Acts like a detective, what's the scene? He investigates crumbs on the mat. Turns out it was apple